Hello Year 2, so this is your weekly message. We're just starting these, so I'm going to go through all the birthdays and shout outs, and then I'm going to go through the home learning for the week. So starting off, I've got a long list here because what I want to do is read out all the names of the children that have had birthdays during lockdown and we haven't had a chance to say happy birthday to, and then I'm going to tell you whose birthday it is this week. Okay, so I want to say happy birthday to Parashi, Anthony, Michelle, Lucas, Ivan, Ava, Maya, Alayun, Adiana, Faiz, Bruna, Soraya, and Ride. Now, all those children turned 7 in lockdown, so happy birthday to you. And then we've got Shahir's birthday this week, so I wonder if he's going to have a little party in his house with his family. So happy birthday to everyone that had their birthdays. And then I want to do a shout out to these particular children because they've been doing really well with their home learning. Now, I know Mr. Ahmed and I have been calling you on the phone and finding out all the lovely home learning you've been doing, and that's wonderful. I'm so proud. Thank you very much for doing all the lovely home learning. So here are a few children that I really wanted to shout out for. So Tessa has been doing some home learning of her own, all about women engineers, and I've learned so much from her little writing that she was doing, and I heard that she did it with her nan, so that's really cool, isn't it? And then Maya has been doing lots of reading and lots of maths, so thanks for sending that over. And I particularly loved her art painting. Now, I also know that Maya has been learning how to ride her bike, and she's got a pink helmet just like me. I've got my pink helmet in my cupboard. And then Fatima has also been doing so much home learning. She sends it through to us weekly, so that's really good. And she has particularly been doing lots of science home learning. So she's done all those experiments that you can see on the class page. That's mostly all her. And Sophia I've put a picture up today of Sophia. She's been doing an art painting, but it's a copy of the art painting. So she has a painting of a unicorn and she decided to dress up like a unicorn. So that's really cool. And lastly, I want to shout out to Alayun because he has been doing so much writing over lockdown. To everyone who's done their home learning and sent it in to us. So now I'm going to go through your home learning for this week, which should be week 5. And so in maths, you would have done times by 2 last week, and then this week you're going to times by 5 and times by 10, and then you're going to try dividing by 2, 5 and 10. So use the resources that I put on the planning, but also remember the arrays that we did and the ways to draw the resources so that it can help you with your multiplication and division. Okay, and then in English, you're going to be reading a new book called The Last Tree. I've got it here actually. Okay, so this is The Last Tree. It's a lovely book, lots of lovely pictures in it. So I've put that on a YouTube video of me reading it, as well as making it into a PDF so you can read it yourself as well. The first activity is a prediction, so don't read it yet until the second day. And then you're going to be doing predicting, you're going to be looking at the different sentence types, writing a diary, just using the skills that you've already learnt this year, and then hopefully you'll enjoy the activities for English. And then for phonics, the starter's going to be looking at your numbers, just your tens numbers from 30 to 100. So 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. You're going to learn how to write those. And then you're going to be looking at alternative sounds. So in phonics at the moment, it's recapping everything you've learnt because it's good to just keep remembering all the different ways to spell. As we know, spelling is quite difficult. So just try your best, okay? And then guided reading, we're doing a different story. So we're doing Where the Wild Things Are. Again, I've done a video and put that on YouTube, as well as making it in PDF so you can read it. So we're going to be looking at Where the Wild Things Are probably over the next 3 weeks. I think it's 2 weeks actually. Where the Wild Things Are, we're going to read it, you're going to find keywords like polysyllabic words and suffixes, and then you're going to do your speed reading. So remember, we need to try and read 90 words per minute. Now the book makes it a bit difficult to do that because it either has like a few words on a page or even just 2 words on a page. So I've put the 90 words, or I think there's about 100 words in a paragraph from this book, so you can just read it straight off there and make it a lot easier. Okay, so I hope you have a lovely week and I look forward to seeing all your home learning. Feel free to send it through to the email as well as looking on the class page to see other children's WOW work, and I hope you have a lovely week. Bye!